everyone, this is Mrs. Kumudha Mayur from Engineering Mathematics Tutorials. This channel is sponsored by RGM Constructions. Related to planning, estimation, 3D elevation, construction of both residential and commercial projects, please do contact RGM Constructions. The details of this company is mentioned in the description box. I request everyone, please subscribe to our channel, view all our videos. To get notifications, please press bell icon. Dear students, in this session, I am going to solve few sums on constructing analytic functions using Milne-Thomson method. Let us start the fourth sum. Let me go for the question. Determine the analytic function having real part. Here clearly the question is crystal clear. They have already given a real part, that is u is equal to sin x into cos hy plus 2 into cos x sin hy plus x square minus y square plus 4xy. Fine, let us start with the solution. So as of you all know that the first step is you need to find out ux and uy. So ux means I am differentiating with respect to x. So let me keep this cos hy as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. This will come cos x into cos hy. If I keep cos hy, if I differentiate cos hy by keeping sin x as common, it will become 0 as this part is not having x. So that let me move on to the next term. Plus I am differentiating with respect to x. That is why I am keeping 2 as it is, sin hy as it is. And the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So sin x I will write it here. This minus I will just erase this plus because plus into minus that gives you minus. I will just put it over here. And differentiation of x square is 2x. This will not come to an existence because it will not be having any kind of x. So plus when I differentiate 4xy with respect to x, you are going to get 4y. Yes, I am done with ux. Similarly, let me find out uy. That is equal to, I am differentiating with respect to y. That is why I am keeping sin x as it is. Cos hy, differentiation of cos hy is sin hy, hyperbolic of y. I will keep this plus 2 cos x as it is. And differentiation sin hy is cos hy. Since I am differentiating with respect to x, here with respect to y, in this term I don't have any kind of y, so it will become 0. Minus the differentiation of y square is 2y, and when I differentiate 4xy with respect to y, I am going to get 4x. So this is step 1. I have got ux as cos hy into cos x minus 2 sin hy into sin x plus 2x plus 4y. Similarly, uy as sin x into sin hy plus 2 cos x into cos hy minus 2y plus 4x. I am done with the first step. Let me go for the second step. The second step is I have to put x as z and y as 0. So you are going to get ux when you substitute x as 0 and x as z, y as 0. So you should focus on trigonometric functions. See, cos z and cos h0, hyperbolic of cos 0, this will become 1, that you need not to worry. So sin 0 is you must observe here sin 0 is 0, so this whole term will become 0. That for your reference I will just put it in the red mark. You could observe here. So sin x, this is sin z, sin hy, y will become 0, sin 0 is 0, 0 into sin x 0, 0 into 2 again 0. I can neglect that part. So plus 2z. Well, 4 by 4 into 0, again it will become 0. Similarly, let me find out uy when you have x as z and y as 0. You can notice here sin x is sin z Sine y, when it comes to sine hyperbolic y sine 0, this portion is entirely become 0 because of the sine function. So plus, you can come to this 2 cos x means cos z. Got it? And cos hy, that cos 0 is always 1. Okay, 2y, this part is also becoming 0. Plus 4x, that I will write it as, in place of x, I'll just put it 4z. So you should notice here, I have got ux, when x has z and 0, you are going to get cos z plus 2z. And when it comes to uy, when x equals z and y equals 0, you are going to get 2 cos z plus 4z. Well, further, we all know that now I should consider f dash of z is equal to ux. You observe, since it is a real part, that is why I am considering ux plus I vx. From CR equation, we all know that vx is equal to minus uy. So let me substitute that part here. F dash of z is equal to ux minus I into uy. You must notice that in the previous 3 sums I used to get uy as 0. But from this question onwards I am also getting uy. So now let me substitute the things over here. F dash of z, observe very carefully what is ux, that is cos z plus 2z, and minus I will keep as it is, I will keep as it is, into 2 times of cos z plus 4z. Yes, now I should integrate f dash of z to get analytic function. So I will just write integrate f dash of z. Okay, with respect to z, what I am going to get? Observe very carefully over here. So I'll write integral of f dash of z is equal to integral of cos z plus 2 into integral of z. Okay, so minus I will keep away. So 2 into integral of cos z. So plus 4 into integral of z. Got it? Now let me integrate. So f dash of z, you are going to get it of f of z. So when you integrate cos z, you are going to get sin z. Plus 2 into z square by 2 minus I will keep as it is. So 2 into cos z is sin z plus 4 into z square by 2. Got it? So now I can cut this 2 with this 2. Similarly, 2 ones are to 2s are. So finally I am going to get f of z is equal to sin z plus z square minus I of 2 times of sin z plus 2z square. So now you might have noticed that I have got the analytic function as sin z plus z square minus I into 2 times of sin 2z plus 2z square. You can stop it till here. Either if you wish to go forward, you can just remove the parenthesis. Okay, that also can be done. If you want, I will write that f of z is equal to, you can notice that sin z plus z square minus I into 2 times of sin z. This I can just write it as 2i, then plus into minus minus 2i z square. Then further you can notice over here, observe sin z and sin z. So if you take out sin z as common, you can write, I will write it here, f of z is equal to, I am just going to take Sin z as common, 1 minus 2i into sin z. Okay, similarly if I take out z square as common, you are going to get plus 1 minus 2i of z square. Either you can stop till here, or it is better, this looks fine, you can stop it till here. Okay, if you want you can simplify further, or else you can stop it till here. Again you can take 1 minus 2i as common. Again you can write this as sin z plus z square. If you want that also I will write it further. You can simplify at most, not an issue. Okay, so if you take 1 minus 2i again as common, you are left out with sin z plus z square. This is the end of the solution. You can stop it anywhere in this solution. I have done with just till here, then again further I have reduced to simplest form, finally it come to this form. Hope you people understood this sum properly. If you have any doubts, please leave me a mail. As of you all know that my email ID is mentioned in the description box. Also I would like to say, few of the comments I received, they are asking for ma'am, you have solved for only real parts, why don't you go for imaginary parts? I will do please watch my next video, I am going to do the imaginary part. Thank you everyone, stay home, stay safe.